You know what? Don't mean to go off the subject.
Right.
I love Ball. I love him.
Dude.
He's a fucking genius,
just
dude.
wish, like, okay, I know what he wanted to do.
Yeah.
But when you start doing that, you have to line the right people up on your team to help you execute because you had the right idea.
Yes.
But it's execution and who you got in your camp that's really about it. And
Dude.
like, yeah.
I don't blame the boys. This motherfucker embezzled money from Ball, from their shit. Right. And who the fuck is this dude? Your friend? Fuck him.
Right.
He doesn't even know the business, dude.
Right. Exactly.
Some fucked up shit.
Yeah, man.
And then Zoe plays in it and it's cheap and it get tore up.
Right.
And you're looking at it like, come on, dude.
Right.
Source this shit out to some expensive shit.
You got to be matching or better with your competitors out there, dude.
But
you can't shortcut it.
You got to give it up to him. He's a genius. Because I like what he said. He said, "Why endorse these motherfucking brands? Don't give a fuck about black people when we can endorse our own and our kids are starving." If Jordan decides to leave